In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Getresponse. Specifically, we will create a landing page using the tools built into Getresponse, choose a template, design the page, and connect it to the right list so you can start collecting contacts the right way. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Getresponse account and you are on the main dashboard. Look at the top menu and find Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps many of the features you use to build marketing assets, including pages, forms, and automation. Click Tools to open the menu. From that list of options, select Landing Pages. This takes you to the Landing Pages area, where you can manage any pages you have already created and start a new one. Once you are there, look for the button that says Create Landing Page and click it. This is the starting point for building a page from a pre-built layout. Next, you will be asked to choose a template. Take a moment here because the template sets up the basic structure of your page, including the layout, sections, and default elements. Pick the template that best matches your goal, such as collecting email signups or promoting an offer, and then click Use Template. You can always adjust colors, text, and images later, so focus on choosing a layout that fits your content. Now you will be in the Design Editor. This is where you customize the landing page. Replace the placeholder text with your own message. Update images so they match your brand, and make sure the call to action is clear and easy to notice. Keep your main headline simple and benefit-focused, and check that the page reads well from top to bottom. When your design is ready, click Continue to move forward. After that, you will connect the landing page to your list. Select the list you want new subscribers to be added to. This matters because it controls where your leads are stored and what emails they can receive next. Once you have selected your list, click Continue or Publish to finish, depending on what Getresponse shows on your screen. That covers everything you need to know.